So it's finally started, guys. We finally started the build on the Patrol. We're doing the Canopy today. We're going to mount it on there. We're going to put a false floor in it so we can lift it up. We're going to hopefully mount the fridge slide, and the drawers as well. So this is a Eureka Canopy. It's 1775 by 1775. It's a giant square. So I'm going to have about 600ml left of tray. So a little bit of like, so I can put like some jerry cans and a spare wheel maybe. I've got it spray painted black to match the car. Hopefully it lives up to the punishment it's going to go through. It doesn't get destroyed. Alright, so I've got two 138 amp hour Kings batteries, the AGMs. They're going to be what provides power to everything in the whole vehicle. I've got a 50 amp BCDC Red Arc charger, and I also got an inverter from Red Arc as well. I've got the fridge slide, and I've got the Kings Titan drawers and the Titan fridge slide. Got the Kings fridge, the 9 litre one, the dual zone. Battery boxes, 12 volt control thing. I got Kings because it's cheap. So what happened was, well, I figured that it would either just fit inside these two beams here, but it's about 1 mil off, so it sits on an angle. So we're putting these to raise it up so it's at the same height. So if you have a look here, as you can see, it hangs over about literally 1 mil, so it just doesn't fit this tray.
It looks so sick.
Alright, so I'm going to take the roof rack off now because we're going to have a tent that's going to end about here. A rooftop tent, clamshell, it's an aluminium one, and that's going to go all the way to the back of the canopy and all the way to the front of the cab. So this needs to go, and hopefully the profile will be a lot lower so I get a lot better fuel economy. Fingers crossed. So if you guys want to buy this, is going to be for sale because I don't need it anymore. We're going to sell it on the website. It's custom built to be able to fit a 33-inch mud tyre. Yeah, if you guys want it, it's on the website. Check it out. Alright, so as you guys can see, this door, it sits below. So to be able to get the drawers and the fridge side to slide out, I'm going to have to mount it on a false floor. And then in the center, I'm going to have a dividing wall, and then the battery's going to go behind the fridge. And then there's going to be like a little square there. And you'll see in a minute what we're doing, but putting a false floor in right now. Alright, so to mount it to the tray, we're going to use 12mm bolts.
Good?
Yep.
You want to put center ones in?
No, just one in each corner.
That's it?
Yeah. Perfect, Steve. Alright, so inside this box should be the Kings 9 litre fridge. Let's have a look at what's in it. Hopefully it's not broken in shipping or anything. And is it polystyrene underneath? Whoa. Oh. We should put this in first, eh?
It's these things too.
How's it not fitting?
Because these are going to be in the way.
No, it's not going to fit.
Because this, you might have to get rid of that. That is always going to be in the way.
Yep.
So that must
cut it off?
Yeah.
We're not going to use I'm not using the rear door.
Yeah, it's fine. Rightio.
Flat?
Cut it from about here.
Cut it so it's like halfway across.
About here?
Yeah, that'll do. So I knew when I got it all that this wouldn't fit. On paper it would have because I didn't account for this being that wide on both sides. So we just trim this, and for leakage, well, I'm going to get my plan is to get a bit of rubber from Clark Rubber that was originally the same length as this and bend it up. And on like a flap, a bit of rubber flap, and just tech screw it in or rivet it in or something. But right now, this is suffice for now. Fingers crossed it won't leak a shitload.
Hey, fits.
And we can close the door still.
The way this whole thing works is basically it's really simple. Fridge slides, like a fridge slide. You got your 1.3 meter King's drawers. We have to cut in here. You might have seen it in the video. We cut the corners out on both sides to be able to fit it because they just that little bit too wide to not be able to fit. On paper, when I bought all the stuff, it did fit, but then I measured it all up in real life and it was just like a couple centimeters. Like if you have a look here, it's like a centimeter there and a centimeter here, so it's like 20 mil out. But yep, and then the next time we're going to do the rest of it, we're going to finish the wall. We're going to put a shelf in here, mount the travel buddy up, and a spot for the microwave. And then we'll do the electronic stuff as well over there with the dual batteries and the charger, inverter, and all that good stuff. So next time Dan will be doing all that, so you'll see Dan on the camera a bit more. Alright, we're back here with Dodgy Steve.
It really is like a baby.
I'm scared to drop it, I know that. Make sure when you
Test
do
fitting.
this that you hook the red to the red and the black to the black, not the other way around.
Yes, don't do it the other way around.
We're trying to keep the smoke inside the electronics because once it gets out, it's really hard to put back in. Chuck her in the ute.
So how good's that? And then the microwave here, and then the storage spot for like pots and pans and shit. And then
The
it's like
microwave.
I go away camping, it's like swag, there's a chainsaw, we'll put them apart so the swag don't smell like two-stroke. James is talking microwaves,
Well, I
pots and
used
pans,
to be
heated
like that,
blankets.
and I just figured it's time for an upgrade. Time for an upgrade from a sleeping on the ground. I'm gonna have to move this camp, guys. It's not very comfy.
Bloody hell.
Find some softer ground.
What's wrong with the ground?
Yeah, it's too good for the
You
ground.
get wet, you get bugs in your swag, there's fucking shit everywhere, mud.
It's all part of the
dirt.
experience, James.
No. Not my experience anymore. Your experience.
James, he's always been an old man. Now he's like a grey nomad.
Yeah.
And then all of you be like, oh, can I use your microwave to be here? But yeah, get subscribed, like us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook, all that good stuff, and then see you in the next one.